Pastor, welcome. Thank God you came.
What is this? Since when did this all start?
I don't know what is happening.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
Need to go to hospital?
I went to hospital. My doctor said I should stop taking. I'm not taking. No. I'm not taking. Just look at me. Can't go say you come.
What did they say is wrong with you?
Nothing. No. I don't know. Even my daughter said, my daughter is confused. Sorry. Yeah.
Sorry. What could be the
problem?
You are welcome. Are you thinking?
I'm not thinking. My daughter said I should stop taking. I'm no longer taking. I don't know what is happening. I don't know. Enemy everywhere. Enemy. This one everywhere. A lot of enemy everywhere.
Enemy fight where? Who is fighting you? Who is the enemy? What is wrong? But what is actually wrong with you? What happened? What did the doctor tell you? You are shaking.
It's not about doctor. This is a family problem. In fact, the problem is many. My brothers, they are fighting me. My sisters, my family member everywhere, they are fighting me. They say his BP, it will soon develop to another thing. It will soon affect my leg.
Doctor told you that?
Yeah, that is what doctor told me. He said many things are coming. I don't know what to do. I think I have to call the doctor and I have to go back because I don't know what to do.
Yes, I
have to go back because this is too much. Everybody, they are fighting me everywhere. Anywhere I go.
So doctor told you that?
Too much fight everywhere. They are fighting me. Oh, family problem. I don't even know. Since year 2006, before I came to Europe, my elder brother, he ate my money. Even the trolley man, he ate my money. He treat me anyhow. He didn't even take care of me. After everything, I finally came to Europe. The trolley girl that picked me up, he took me to her house. He treat me anyhow. He didn't even take care of me. He asked me to bring every month. I break 200 euro for the money. He will not allow me to eat. He suffered me. That man is very wicked. He's very wicked. The man that brought me is a very wicked man. He deal with me.
Wait, man. You're talking about year 2006. What is happening now?
I don't know. They are seeing all of them in the dream. They are fighting me. They are fighting me. I don't know.
Okay. So this is where the big piece comes from. Wait. Tameg, you are talking about the past. Joe. Then after that, you are talking about 2006. What happened again? That you are seeing everybody in the dream fighting.
Pastor, you know my brother, my other brother. After I finally pay, I suffer well. He sent me money to help me buy land. I sent him money to buy 100 by 100. He eat my money. He buy me 50 by 50. I think that one is not enough. My sister, I sent money to my sister to help me keep. After I said, okay, give me back my money. She refused. She started doing business with the money. She refused to give me the money. Even my small cousin, I thought she's a good girl. I sent her money to buy me with one. She didn't buy me original. She buy me fake one. My sister gave me small money. I don't know. They are fighting me. They are fighting me in the dream.
Even for the extent of the person who buy you with vote,
buy me fake one. I send that money for Regina.
Are you not talking to all these people you are talking about?
No, we are fighting. No, I don't have anything to do with them again. They are my enemy. They are my enemy. I don't have anything to do with them. They wish me death. Everything. Back to sender.
All this thing is about money, no? Wait, it's okay. Wait, sweetheart. Wait. What next now? What is the... You are talking as if the thing just happened now, the way you are. And now, what is happening? This is past. What is happening now?
Nothing is happening now. Everything, they're happening together. The 2011. When my father died. They asked me to send money for my father's burial. I sent money. I sent money to my brother to do a very wonderful burial for my father. Oh, when they sent me the video, if you see the burial, oh my God, it be like very foul. Oh my God. In fact, it was a disgrace in my father's burial. Yes, so this year 2011, so we're
2011, we're in 2018.
No, okay, 2011. Okay. If you see the burial, oh my God. Okay. Just imagine now. Just look at my child. Where's the father? That useless man, idiot man, that foolish, and in fact, that no-sense human being, idiotious human being. Oh God, say trouble, pure. The market don't kill them, you follow woman go. Look at the boy. You don't know whether he got picked. He said, they talk too much. He said, any small thing, they're under pressure. Any small thing, I can go back by the problem. I'm not this stable. Now me not this stable. I not this stable. I don't tell you.
You say you're not this stable.
Don't mind him. Settle man. You don't have strength over very lazy human being. Idiot. I pick him on the road though. Suffering. Idiot. Now I not feed him. I clothed him. Now he left me. He left me follow another woman. Idiot. You know when I was in your church, I was a good Christian. A very nice Christian. I left your church. Look at that, my stupid pastor wife. Don't mind her. She didn't come here. She didn't even come to see me yesterday. She started calling me. I bounced the phone. I will not pick. I will survive. Without that, I will survive. You will survive. I will survive. Look at you now. I left your church, but you are here now. You can't to visit me. It's okay. They didn't even care.
Stameg, you have to come, Daddy. What kind of... Wait, Stameg. Wait. But at least, this sickness that continue, they send you to hospital every day. You don't want it. If you paralyze, it will be what? What is the problem in your hand now? What problem? What is causing this one? There's something troubling you. Now, let's leave those past now. What is the problem for today? Let's take it to God in prayer. What is it? Talk to me. I hear everything. I want to know what is causing you. Make you to go to hospital now. Let me know.
Pastor, I'm going through a lot. Can you imagine? The three buses. The three buses. When I give driver for Lagos, I give one to Yoruba man. I give the other one to the two Igbo boys. Since 2 months now, they not pay money for my account. They not pay me money. You know, see yesterday they discharged me. I be told that they'll get small. After they call me, I don't see money. I don't know.
Why didn't you give them to your brother to manage?
My brother, that one. I give to my brother to manage before. My brother, they shop my money. You know, they can small thing. I'm more change. Then my brother, they give me. After I chop the money, or give me change. That's okay. Make the driver, they pay money direct to my account. I don't know whether they plan with my brother or they pay me anything. That's more change. Then they give me. So, yesterday now, I'm on your bar when you there for inside. That one come here. Say, they give me story. They are not even one here. What did they tell me? I not be waiting 1 year. Now that's then. That's my system just changed. He said he will call me back. Today now they wait. He must call me today. He will call me.
He will call you.
You don't know. Marufu. What's changing?
Wait. Relax.
Marufu. Take what easy, not waiting. Now your papa and mama knock. The last money when you give me not by repair that EG. It don't knock again. And I mean you want frustrate your family will frustrate. What I do you? Since 2 months now, you don't send money to my account, you don't pay me. Hey, Marufu. In fact, I don't know what I go tell you. Betty, on Monday, it not go better for you. On Tuesday, it not go better for you. On Wednesday, not go better for you. On Thursday, Emorufu. Ajay. On Thursday, no go better for you. On Friday. On Friday, no go better for you, Emorufu. Thunder go fire you. Friday shall not work with you. On Saturday, no go better for you. Hey! On Sunday. On Sunday, no go better for you. On Sunday, it not go work with you. Everyone do not try at all. It shall not work with you. 2 months. 2 months. Double trouble for you. You don't cut my call. Ajay. Idiot. Asawa pikin. Thief. Azapa Zayn. You don't cut my call. Pastor, cut my call. Too much no pay me money. Cut my call. Oh. Wow, Zaka, wow. They want to kill me. They want to kill me. Family problem.
So all these are the witches that are beating
everybody.
You. Not the witches and wizards, it is
spiritually, physically.
Father, have mercy on this soul. Father, have mercy. Father, have mercy on this soul.
Call my daughter. Call daughter. Call my daughter. Call my daughter.
Call your daughter.
They want to kill me. My daughter. Nobody loves me. Everybody hates me. Everybody hates me.
Everybody hates
Everybody hates me. Then nobody loves me. Not my brother. Not my pastor. Not my pastor wife. Everybody. My stupid, foolish, nonsense, stupid husband. Not my husband. My
boyfriend.
You know, marry me, you know, rich boyfriend. You know, my boyfriend better pass me, you name.
Everybody hates you. No, my dear. People don't really hate people like that. And everybody does not hate one person. No. Each time I see people say everybody hates me, I do tell them that they are the one that isolated themselves from people. Everybody does not hate you. How can everybody hate you? You can't be enemy to everybody. Most time people think that everybody hates them, not knowing that they were the one that actually push people away from them. When you desert people and isolate yourself, you think everybody hates you. And another thing is that when you open people's book of error, I'm already seeing where the problem is. If you can remember what happened in 2006, what happened in 2011, and all these years, everything has been clouded in your mind. And without you letting anything go, all these things are in your mind, they cause problem. And you're thinking everybody hates you. It's very bad to open everybody's book of errors to see the errors while you choose to remain in your closest. No, you have to lose out so that people can help you. It's not that they hate you there. Everybody can hate you.
Pastor, that reminds me. Yesterday when I came back from hospital yesterday, after I received a call from my driver, Moruf, my BP started rising again. I was crying and I was praying, God, I don't want to go back to hospital again. I just slept off. I saw you in that dream. I saw you, yes. I just remember now. I saw you in the dream. Yes, you were talking to me. You were eating with me. I was looking okay, I was not sick. I was looking beautiful. And I was okay. You were eating with me. But just look at me. I don't know what is happening. I don't know where this sickness came from. I don't know who is behind all this. They want to kill me.
It's okay. Father, thank you. Relax. Wow, we don't need doctor today. We have the great physician. Wow, that is awesome. God is, you see, God love you too much. You see, sorry dear, sorry. You see, I believe God to woke me up this morning to say call your number. No, say for a long time, I haven't called you several times. You were not picking. This morning I was moved to call you. I said, let me just try. And I was surprised that you picked the call and you told me you were not fine.
Pastor, I'm sorry. You know, since I left the church.
No, leave church. You don't talk about church.
You know,
no, it's okay.
That's why I could not pick your call.
No,
I'm very sorry.
No, it's not like that. It's not about my church. It's the church of God. Wow, see, sister, let me talk to you, my dear. In a few minutes, I believe that things will change. You know, God revealed to redeem. Okay? God have revealed, the God that you called yesterday night, He knows you are tired. God have no pleasure in the sickness and the weakness of His children. God knows you are tired. That's why God has to make me to wake up this morning and be thinking about looking for you. I want to tell you how you will be healed. Your deliverance have already been. You see, you saw you were happy. Eating with me is the word I'm sharing with you now. That's what I mean. You're eating together and you were not sick. That means as far as God is concerned, you are healed. Okay? As far as God is concerned, you are healed. You are not sick. Let me tell you where the problem is. St. Paul said, I look forward to see the new things coming and forget about the past. He said, that I may see Him. Okay? So if you don't remove your eyes from the past, you will not see the future. Okay? So it's very, very good. What has happened to you, all this what you are seeing in the dreams and fighting, causing a hair and brother and burial money, these are past things. You are going to lock up that side. That side, you are going to lock up that side, that thoughts, where you are thinking about past. You're forgetting those things which are behind. A wise man said, if you refuse to forget the past, you will pass away with it. And a Mary had do a good like medicine, a broken spirit dry the bone. When you are sick like this, you are having different thoughts in your mind. The Bible speaking in Proverbs 17:22. So the thing will weaken your bone. In Proverbs 18:40, said the spirit of a man will sustain his infirmity. A broken spirit who can bear. Once your spirit is broken, that is why doctor told you it's already affecting your legs. So you have to first of all relax. Whatever you have lost, God said, I will restore to you. Okay, so but don't think about Moruf. Don't think about, just calm down. God still have a better life for you. It's God that gave you strength to make money at the beginning. If we are not careful about money, the God of Mammon will destroy God. So you cannot serve God and Mammon. Relax. And at times when we make mistake, we are like, because somebody will not eat from it, we want to have it our way. It will hurt us. People that really wants to take it, they don't observe it. I told a young sister that I love so much. I said, don't fear how much your uncle and your brother will eat. Be concerned about the one that they will use to do something for you. You can't do all. If you have allowed your brother to be controlling your drivers, he will not eat everything. He would have begun to give you a tongue. Okay? Life is not like that. Life is little by little. Whatever you see, you give God the praise. It's not of it that runneth, of it that will, but God has showed mercy. So we handle money gradually. What if your enemy die now? What will not eat the money? Not pressure going to hospital every day. Where is not the enjoyment? Relax. Come and serve God, and I know that God will help you. Okay? I will pray for you. God already began it. You are healed. I'll pray for you. Will relax when everything is okay. Forget about Moru. Forget about everything. Get your life back first. Okay? When everything is okay, I will put you through how you can manage those things one after the other. You will be happy. Your home will be restored. Can't you see? Even the father of your child run away because the Bible says, through a worrish woman, a man is brought to a piece of bread. He says it's better to stay on the top of a roof than to stay with a nagging and a complaining woman. So these are all scriptures you must know, okay? But don't worry, this time around, the Lord will heal you, okay? Father, Lord, have mercy. Don't worry. Father, I pray for your daughter, Lord. I ask, Lord, that you transform her by the renewing of her mind. Lord, that she hear a little word from me this moment. Father, let there be a transformation. Have mercy upon her. Have mercy. And I come against every love of money, every spirit of covetousness and greed. I ask for strength. I speak peace. Thank you, Master. Thank you for this peace you have poured in. I know you have already revealed to her. Thank you for the word. Thank you for the food that we ate together in that revelation. Thank you for the word. Father, she saw herself healed. Lord, I believe she is healed. From today, I pray for you. Total healing, total restoration. No more blood pressure. I declare you are healed. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Don't worry, okay? Just relax, sleep. I'll call you later in the evening to see how you are. But I'm very, very happy for you because that revelation has confirmed that you are healed. Okay? God bless you there.